Description: natural ingredients work to calm and protect the scalp, while aiding in hair restoration. Use with Active Renew Shampoo Treatment to promote longer, stronger hair. Vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free. Color safe. Benefits: lightweight, anti-inflammatory formula moisturizes hair and scalp to promote healthy, vibrant hair. Suggested use: massage into the hair and scalp. Rinse out using warm water. Use every other day with ACTiiV Renew Treatment. Top reviews from the United States. Seriously amazing. I am so impressed with my results from the ACTiiV shampoo and conditioner. My hairstylist recommended it to me because of my thinning hair with age, and it has produced great results. I will continue to buy both the shampoo and conditioner as it has given me some of my confidence back. I will keep using it as I am continued to be impressed with the results.